Hello everyone, welcome back. We are working on this compositing project using Maya and Mixamo. We are working on the modeling the character. My computer hung up last time, so I had to stop a little early, and we were here. So I'll continue with modeling the hand. So I'll scale this. Place it here. It should be wider. Okay. Vertex mode. Select these vertices. Scale them inside. Edge mode. Select these edges. Edit mesh. Connect. We'll extrude the face. Select this face. Shift move out twice. Okay, we can work on the top view. So I'll go to vertex mode. Let's sculpt his thumb. Okay, so this is our thumb. These are our fingers. Looks good. Okay, so we need to go to face mode and bring this out, then we can bring this out. I can scale this up. The fingers will be thinner and the thumb will not be thinner. Okay, so you can feel free to model your arm the way you like. Looks a little big, so I'll scale it. Mesh, smooth. Okay, so Control D, move it this side, -1. -1. 0.62, so just add negative. Here the value is just make it negative. So you got arms, legs, and then we will add a little bit features to the nose, the head, so we'll bring these in the front. That becomes the nose. Okay. To mesh. Character gets some nose, so this should be good enough. All right. Now what we're going to do is select this, select the whole thing actually, and go to mesh, combine in one object. Go to edit, delete by type, history. All right. Make sure that the character is on the ground, which it is, and now we are ready to export the character to bring it into mixamo. Okay. Save this file. Go to file, that is selected, file, export selection, select obj option. If you scroll down, I'll name it stick yt, and now it's exported. We'll go to mixamo, mixamo.com by Adobe. You have to sign in. So click on login. I'm going to log in using Facebook. Okay. Then click on upload character and select your file. We named it stick yt, stick yt obj. Okay, so it is uploading on mixamo. You have to make sure that the character is facing the front, which it is. So you'll go to next. And now we are going to place all these markers. So the chin is here, The wrist is here, the elbow is here, the knee is here, the groin is here. Okay, and we are going to use no fingers, symmetry is on. That's all you need to create this character. Click on next. Mixamo is going to rig the character for us. Something that takes about a week to do in Maya will be done in few minutes. Okay. You can so see that within few seconds the rig is ready. The character is moving around. Click on next. Now I will select walk. We're going to add a walk to the character. So I like this authoritative walk. Looks like a turtle walking. Alright. So you can see there are 42 frames. If you drag this around, it becomes 84 frames. Go to download this. It's going to download as a FBX file. We'll use 24 frames per second. We'll use uniform scaling and download the character. Okay, so now you have you uploaded just the model. Now you get the rig and the animation and download it as an FBX file. I tried exporting the file from Maya as FBX, but mixamo could not recognize the file, so I had to use OBJ. So OBJ comes in and FBX comes out. Find the place where the file was downloaded. I'll rename this stick YT, cut it and paste it here. Stick yt.fbx. Go to file, new scene, file, import. Looking for stick yt.fbx. Okay, so we get our character. Now the character is big compared to the grid. So if you go to window, settings and preferences, settings, and here it is centimeters. I had made it meters. Okay, so now it's relatively correct size. That doesn't really matter, but you can see that now you have your character. If you select the whole thing, you see the keyframes, and then if you hit the play button, you can do the animation. Is it only 67 frames or is there 82 frames? Maybe because we made it 24. Yep, it's only 67 frames. Okay, so now you can see it starts at some particular place. Now if you want to move around, what you have to do is select everything, go to edit and group. Okay, and then if you go to window outliner, you should always select the group, and now you can say, for example, you want the character to move from here. Now if you hit the play button, the character starts from there. Okay, now we will do the scene setup and the rest of the things in the next class. Okay, thank you.